The crown stitch is made in a reverse manner as it is easy to make it that way. Start by making a single regular fly stitch. We now continue by coming out from the inside of the bend in the V. Pass to the side to make a smaller stitch and come back again through the bend. Make another stitch to the other side. That is it. That is the crown stitch. Let's do that once more. Now, if you want to see a more crown-looking crown, you can space out the stitches on the sides a bit. That will make the otherwise V shape into a C shape. This is a great stitch to work on plain surfaces to create texture and is perfect to stitch on even weave fabric. I hope you liked this video. Let me know by liking, sharing and commenting. You can learn more stitches from my channel, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, check the description to find links to my ebook store and my Patreon account where you can have access to various patterns. Thank you so much for watching.